Hello everybody, this is 25 Invested here, and we are going to go over our weekly update. I am in the corner, I'm back, and I am feeling way better. I still have a cough, and I've been feeling sick a little bit, but my account has been in the positives, and that is a positive. I hear everyone calling for an update in the market. Things are going to start rising again. I doubt it. Man, there's just too much murky water ahead for us to really get a solid judge on what it's going to look like soon. So without further ado, let's take a look at our portfolio, my portfolio. And on the daily, we are up 1% or 640 bucks. Pretty good. On the weekly, we are up 2% or 1,100. I do believe this is my biggest weekly gain. So damn. On the monthly, we are up 4%. I know that's our biggest month. No, I guess we were up like 6% on the monthly not too long ago. Maybe it was a very long time ago, and I am sorely mistaken. On the 3-month, I'm up 9%. Now that is a big increase, up 9%. But I mean, 6% of that was just digging ourselves out of a negative. 5% of that was. On the 1 year, I am up 3% or $1,978, and all time I am up 4% or $2,060. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice to see everything in the positives. I mean, obviously you're not going to see all my stocks in the positive. So let's go through what I own and what's happening in my portfolio. Apple has been tearing it up. We are up 14% on Apple. Damn. Algonquin Power is not as bad as it used to. I used to be like minus 50%, minus 40% on this position. It is digging itself out of a very deep hole. I believe I did average down. I did average down on this stock. So the buy the dip mentality and hold for a long time is kind of working right now for a bit. I'm always very skeptical because it might not be me who's making the good choices. It just might be me following what the market's doing. So I'm trying to bridge the gap between what I'm doing and how the market's doing, and hopefully one day I will be doing better than the market. That is the goal. Alibaba, I am down 7%. Nothing out of the ordinary there. Bank of Nova Scotia, I'm up 2%. This has been fluctuating between above and below. This has just been kind of running up and down. I know TD has been going through a bit of a rough time. They're the largest shorted bank, or like the most shorted stock right now. And I mean, if you cut out that noise, what's going on? I doubt that. If everyone's shorting it, it must be on its way up. No, don't shoot the messenger. BRK, 13%, pretty good. I'm still up. Caterpillar up 4%. That has come down. I am still looking at it at 185. It has not been down there. Dream Industrial, I'm up 15%. Wowee. I did buy more, bringing my position up to $1,600 is what I brought it up to. I would like it to be about $2,000, but I'm not buying it when I'm 15% up. So we're just gonna hold it. Hopefully they increase dividends. I know they don't like to. They like to buy their own stock back. I also don't see that. They reinvest it in other ways, which I am all for. I would just love to see maybe a little bit of an increase in dividends. You can't really change the company you bought. I mean, it would be nice to see everything going shooting up through the roof too. But Dream Industrial, that is their game plan, and I knew that going into it. So we get our very consistent dividend of $7 a month. Dollarama still up 53%. That's actually gone up since last time I seen it. I still have my 4 shares. Don't worry about it. I would love to buy more. Trust me. EMP, Empire Co. 16 shares. Just sitting on it. We did average down last time. It was about 2-3%. I might be looking at that again. We'll take a look at Empire. It is $500, $600 worth right now. So obviously not a very big position, but we do increase the position sizes as you've seen over the time of my portfolio. Google at 108, again, just ripping up. I'm at -6%. This is one that I was down quite substantially, 30+%. It's something that I've held. It's something that I've averaged down. So I have 50 shares, $5,400 American, and I'm down $380. Home Depot, probably the last singular stock that I did buy. Home Depot. Sorry, I'm shaking. Home Depot I did buy not too long ago for a reasonable price. I mean, I would like to average down further on it, a little harder on it. I did buy it at I think a P of about 18, and it is a pretty big company. What would it take for Home Depot to double in size? Quite a lot. So if I want double my money out of it, some things crazy need to happen, or I need to adjust and find out what a better price is to expect more from it. They also do a good job at increasing their dividends. A long hold. Intel I'm down 2.71%. Wow. I thought I was a goner there. I have an average of about $33, and it is up to 32.8. So holy crap. My God, I wonder if everyone's going to start dumping it. Things shot up so fast, and that's not always a very good sign. It's a great sign if you're a day trader. It's not a very good sign if you're a very long holder. So I hope that Intel has some good times ahead. I hope that they start increasing their dividend if they would like to, or as long as they reinvest and give us more value. I'd love to see that. I want to see the company do well. I own it. What can I say? Meta Platforms, I'm up 14.65%. Nice. Very nice. Not a lot to say there. Again, it shot up so fast. I did average down on this one too. That is something that I didn't buy the exact bottom, but I bought pretty damn close. So very nice. Manulife Financial, $1,000, 40 shares. I'm up 10%. Not a lot in. I would like to double that position, but again, I don't double it if I'm up 10% in a year. Microsoft, 2 shares, up again to 11%, $600. Pretty good. I'd like to buy more. Microsoft and Google seem to be the two that are up in the air about the OpenAI and who's going to win the race, but there is quite a lot of space for both of them, and they are quite well-run businesses, very successful. Don't love stock-based compensation of Google, and I'm sure there's, I can nitpick at Microsoft too, but they're businesses that I own. I want them to do well. I don't exactly love holding two companies that are in such direct competition of each other in the short term, but as far as long holds go, we'll keep them. NEWT, down 51%. We don't want to call this our worst investment, but it's looking that way. Not a lot to say there. They have high debt. They dilute the crap out of their shareholders, so we're just gonna sit on that. Next is REITs, something else that I'd love to buy more, but again, not at the price that historically I've seen this position up about 10%, down a few percent, and I would love to have this average down. So I'm at about $10 on the average. I would love to see it about 8. In order to see it at 8, I need to start buying lower than that. So if it dropped down to about 7.5, 6.5, I would be loading up. I would love to see it at that price. They do a very good job at keeping their stock price consistent and their dividends consistent. So just a steady gainer. Next is REITs. Smart Center REITs down 10%. We don't want to talk about that. Again, not a lot to show. $150 in, not a lot. VIG, down 2.86%. Again, not that much to say here other than I bought it and I don't want to get rid of it because I don't think it does any harm by being there, but at the same time, I started buying companies that were in VIG instead. So I kind of like made my own VIG with singular stock picks, kind of by proxy and not literally. It would take me quite a lot to replicate VIG, but it's just something that I would rather have my money in XEQT. I'd rather be putting new money into XEQT. Again, it's not doing anything by sitting there. XEQT down 1%. We'll get to Walmart. XEQT down 1%. I have $12,100 in it. Where are you? Nice. I want that to be about 30% of my portfolio. I want Berkshire Hathaway to be the other 20%. So 50% of my portfolio into two broad-based index funds / Berkshire Hathaway, which is a managed fund, a managed holding company. Yeah. Walmart, I'm up 13%. I don't think I've ever been down on Walmart, so we're just sort of sitting there on dividends. I would love to buy more Walmart. Not yet. As per almost everything that I own. So we're going to sit on those. I know you could make the, you should chase, but not about to do that. And on our available trades, if we go to our activity, oh my god, I can't see any of that. Okay, we'll just click on that and go to my activity, and I can see that I have buy order set. I have a limited buy order for BlackRock BLK. I have about $5,000 ready to go into BLK. I already decided the price. It was going to be $600. At $600 American, I will be buying BlackRock. Berkshire Hathaway, I have another 10 shares ready to be bought at $275. I believe $275 might be $280. Actually, let's just take a look at that. $275. There you go. So BRK.B, and we have $2,300 into XEQT, which is again something that I also average into, and that will be at $23. Are we even close to those numbers? Maybe not. Maybe not. What's my oh, and we hit 60,000. We hit 60,000 $60,000. That's quite a large sum of money. No, we're not that close. It has to drop by $2.55, so pretty substantial. 10% drop, and I will be buying more XEQT. About 10% drop on all of them. So I'm waiting for a crash, and I know everyone's getting very optimistic right now, and I am getting a little pessimistic. I love seeing my portfolio go up. I just don't like to see it all go up at the same time, and I don't like to see my buy orders just sitting there, because I should be able to catch those. I have a little bit of conviction in that. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye now. Where's the stop?